Hey guys, you know Savage Duck, right? He's here today too. Alright, it's Savage Duck. But then you got a fucking mockingbirds. They're right there. They're in the tree, and one of them like shit right next to me. I sit right there on that fucking tree stump. Why are you here? Okay, so anyways, if y'all didn't hear about me putting a backpack up in the tree, right there, don't know if you can see it. It's right there. That backpack right there. I stuck it up in the tree, and it fell down. And so I see some shoes over here that I thought was actually a lunchbox. Nope, these shoes. They're shitty shoes. Look, they're fucking everywhere. They're here, they're there. Why are y'all here? What? Oh. Wow. Just wow. Who wouldn't do that? Why? What the fuck? Oh my god, there's another one. There's another one too. There's like fucking 5 of them. What the fuck? Fucking hand to the last bottle. So. There's another one right there. The fuck? I don't know if these are real numbers. When it's back. Ass hose too ugly. The fuck? Okay, yeah, let's I think somebody just took a gigantic fucking piss here. So what the fuck is this? Is this paint? Is it juice? What the fuck is this? Blood. Whatever. Look at all the fucking birds. What the shit? What the fuck is going on? It's not here. Bro, look at all the fucking birds. What the fuck? Shut the fuck up. They're all going to the tree. Look at all them. That's all birds. One just shit again. Look, they're all up. There's one right there. Okay, so if y'all didn't see the backpack, it's right here. Okay, I stuck that backpack right there. Right up on that tree bench right there. Right there. And I guess somebody took it down or it either fell off or I don't know, but I'll put it back up there. So, yeah, this will be Savage Duck Part 2. But you know what? Savage Duck left. Oh no, he's right there. Savage Duck, Savage Duck, Savage Duck, Duck, Duck. Okay. Well then, this has been Savage Duck Part 2. Well, birds are trying to fuck right there. There's so many of them. What the fuck? Alright, well then, this will be Birds Part 2. Just wow. On a fucking tree. Just my fucking finger right there. Alright, this is Savage Duck signing off. Yeah, I know, that's gonna... My school is so fucking ghetto. Whatever. Alright. Look, there's even fucking seagulls here. That's a fucking seagull. Why? What the fuck? There's like ducks, there's birds, there's fucking crows, there's oh no. Hold on. Okay, I'm up. What the fuck? What just Bro, I swear one just shit on my fucking face. Alright. Well, we're gonna play Spot the Plane. It's a Cessna 172 Skilling Hawk. What the fuck are you doing? I'm looking at planes, damn it. Okay. Alright. So yeah, wait, where's Savage? Oh yeah, that's already one over there. Alright, well this is... Okay, my new YouTube name is gonna be Savage Duck. Okay. It's a Savage Duck. And I'll see ya.